Hey friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Are you wondering like me how will look engine oil in the Toyota truck which had blown head gasket? Let's go together and find out. And this one was caught in the early stages. Look at the coolant. Do you see any signs of oil in it? One of you correctly put in the notes when he saw it in past, oh, green coolant. Where is the red one? Am I wrong? I believe this year 97 Tacoma should be running red coolant, right? Yes, of course. Not everybody does that. But let's go back to that engine oil. Let's go and pull the dipstick first, huh? This is the first thing, right? When you own the truck. Let's go and look at it. It's kind of weird. It's kind of yellowish. Let me see, what do you see? Oh, right here. Do you see? It's kind of yellow instead of transparent. It looks a little bit off, right? I'm pretty sure you will agree. A little bit off, a little bit weird. So let's go together and drain the oil pan and see what we will catch. So here we go. Moment of the truth. As usually, right? 14 millimeter socket will take care of the business here, right? Now let's see. Am I doing the engine oil pan or am I opening the transmission? Now, of course, right here in front. All we know is the engine oil. Tranny will be further down towards to the back. Oh la la! Ooh, look at this! Wow! Well, that's amazing. Let me show you really quickly, except my hands are dirty right now. But let me get rid of the gloves so I can grab the camcorder. You can see it right there. Look at that beauty. Look at this beauty. It looks like a cappuccino actually, not a milkshake. Look at that. That is Starbucks barista making these beautiful lattes and cappuccinos. Wow. Well, look at this. And it was barely visible on the up there, right on the dipstick. Barely, I mean, it wasn't clean oil obviously, but look at this. This is absolutely incredible. Good, we are taking care of this, right? Wonderful. How often do you see this in the video, huh? I'm kind of in the hurry and I'm trying to finish this truck and return it back to the owner, but I couldn't resist. I had a feeling it will end up like this. I couldn't resist to show you this. So here you got it, my friends. Something interesting for you on Toyota Maintenance again. Look at this disaster, right? Surprisingly, I will say, right, where is the engine oil in that coolant? The coolant, it's absolutely perfectly clear. I don't see any contamination except some leaf fell into it or something. But that was drained out of the engine, right? Not only radiator, it was from here, from everywhere. And look, the color, it's completely normal. So thanks for watching and be subscribed. Have way more coming your way soon. See ya.